Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and become part of the Beauty Fam. We would love to have you here. And if you already subscribed and part of the Beauty Fam, hey girl, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look right here, this very simple, basic weekend makeup look. So go ahead, grab a snack, relax, and let's have some fun. This look I'm doing right now is a recreation of a look that I wore this past weekend. This weekend, I was hanging out with my girlfriends from church, and I knew I wanted to do a little something to my face, but not a whole lot of something. You know what I mean? So this is what I chose. It's very simple. 10 minutes tops, when I'm not talking, of course. But 10 minutes top, it just, gives your face a little zhuzhing up without a whole lot of fuss. So as always, I start with my brows, and for my brows this past weekend I used the Wet n Wild. This is a Wet n Wild pencil. This is one of their cold pencils. I do not know the color because it's all faded off, but it's a brown, always brown for me. I would say this is a medium brown, not too dark. And so I'm just going to shape my brows up a little here. If you really want an in-depth brow video, I have one on this channel already, so I may link it to this one so you can go check that out. But whenever I am doing a very minimal makeup look, I tend to keep my brows minimal as well. When you're wearing very light makeup, you want your eyebrows to complement that as well, because if you go in too heavy with your brows and you're wearing very little makeup, it can make your brows look too heavy and just, create an imbalance to the whole look. So that's my theory on how you should wear your brows. So as you can see, I'm just going in very lightly. I'm not going in and doing a whole bunch of shading and things like that. Just very, very light, just giving it a little bit of definition. All right, so we're going to go in and we're going to clean up the brows a little bit using my e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer. We're just going to clean it up just a little bit. Y'all know how we do eyebrows. Nothing you haven't seen before. And the color that I am wearing is Deep Cinnamon in the Hydrating Camo Concealer by e.l.f. Alright, so for this look, I am going to focus on the areas that I think are more prominent or my areas of concern. And for me, it's my under eye. I definitely want to address the dark circles and brighten underneath my eyes. I want to address the top of my lip here because as you can see, I have some hyperpigmentation over here and I don't want that. And I also put a little right here on my chin because this area just tends to be a little bit darker, but also by concealing this area, it's going to just bring my chin forward a little bit and just bring a little more evenness to my face. And I'm going to put a little bit of concealer over my eyes as well, just to bring a cohesiveness to the entire look. And I'm going to be using another e.l.f. product. I know I love e.l.f. e.l.f., if you hear me, just go ahead and sponsor me. I know I'm still a growing channel, but I'm telling you, I love your product. And I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Concealer. This is in the color Deep Warm number 50. I just love the way it sits on my skin, especially underneath my eyes. Very affordable luxury. All right, so it comes like this, and I'm going to just place it like so. Not a whole lot. Over the mouth. On the chin. And a couple of dots. I know, looks crazy, but this is what we do over here. Taking our e.l.f. Tap, Blend, and Conceal brush, we're going to take that brush and we're just going to do exactly what the brush says. Tap. Gently tap that concealer into your skin. And as you know, I like to bring my concealer up to my eyes. Remember that, y'all. Don't go in and just start wiping concealer everywhere. Be intentional. It makes a difference. I'm just going to blend it all in. Okay. The key to this look is focusing on the center of your face, because that's where everything is. Your eyes, your mouth, your nose. Right? The center of your face gets all the attention. And as long as that looks together, your whole face will look put together. This look is also great for spring, summer looks when you just don't want to wear a lot of makeup. But again, you just want to conceal and make everything look cohesive. Bring a balance to the face. Let's do the eyes, and then we're going to make sure everything is nice and blended out. If I didn't mention, it's important that you use a concealer that matches your skin tone. All right, I'm going to take my foundation brush, and I'm not going to apply any foundation to it. No foundation whatsoever. But I'm going to spray it with my setting spray, also by e.l.f. And I'm just going to use that setting spray to help just blend out the edges of this concealer. I'm not dragging it down anywhere. I'm just patting it in just to blend it in. Make sure there's no lines of demarcation. See that? You can't tell where my concealer starts and where my skin begins, right? And that's what we want to achieve. We don't need any lines of demarcation whatsoever. I'm going to go in now with that same setting spray by e.l.f. and I'm just going to spray. Now, I wanted to do an eye look, but I did not have the time to do a complete eyeshadow look. So I just took an eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the one by L'Oreal. This is their signature, or L'Eyeliner signature, however you say that. I'm not French. Signature eyeliner, and this is in the color Blue Jersey. And I'm just going to take this eyeliner and I'm going to line the bottom of my eyelid. Now, I'm not going to go all the way to the corner of my eyes. I want to keep the corner of my eyes pretty open. This is a very fun and easy way to add color to your look without doing a whole eyeshadow look. Also, pro tip, blue or navy blue eyeliner looks so pretty on brown skin girls, especially ones with brown eyes. Like, it just makes brown eyes pop, and I really, really love the way blue eyeliner looks on me. You don't always have to wear black eyeliner. Try some color. It's fun. So we have the blue eyeliner down. Now we're going to go in with another color. This is NYX in the color Aqua Green. And I'm going to layer this color on top of the one that we just laid down. And I have to say, I love these eyeliners because they're cream, they go on smooth, and I do believe they are, I think this one is waterproof. I think this one is waterproof. The one by L'Oreal is waterproof. A little color underneath the eyes can do the trick. Now, I'm doing this a little bit out of order because normally I would do my mascara first, then do my liner, but there's no rules to this, right? So I'm going to take a mascara, and this is just a basic mascara. This is a Lift and Curl mascara by a brand called, I don't know, it's IZME or G. I got this out of TJ Maxx, but I really love the brush. And I'm just going to put on a couple of coats of mascara. Now, do y'all put mascara on your bottom lashes? You really should. I used to not do that because I used to think I didn't really have bottom lashes like that. But once I started putting mascara on them, I'm like, ew. Give me that whole baby doll look. Eyes are all done. Now we're going to put a little bit of blush on, just a little bit. I'm using my Juvia's Place palette in Volume 1. And I will be using this color. I'm going to use both of them actually. Just tap a little bit. I may have put on a little bit much. That happens sometimes, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We can fix that. It's okay. We can take our foundation brush and just kind of tap it out if you think you put on too much. It's gonna be okay. Don't freak out. It's gonna be okay. I am going to take a little bit of powder. I'm going to be using my Black Radiance True Complexion Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This is in the color medium, I believe. And I'm just going to put that across my nose a little bit because it's a little shiny. Put it right here. And that is the whole look. And we're going to spray one more time. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of gloss. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in the color Talk That Taupe. And I'm just going to pop that on. That is my weekend look, hanging out with the girls. I really love this look because it really is effortless. And if I wasn't talking to you guys, it would take me 10 minutes tops to do the entire look. A little concealer can go a long way. A little eyeliner can go a long way. Definitely do your brows, girl. If you can't do nothing else, do your brows. Drop a little bit of mascara on them lashes and it can do wonders for you. But the key is focus on the areas that really matter to you. And for me, it's my under eyes. It's the top of my lip, this chin area, just bringing balance to my face because I have these dark spots and dark circles and things like that. It is what it is. But yeah, just bring balance to the face. There's no foundation or other makeup on the perimeter, so that keeps my face free. You don't have to worry about, you know, it getting all over your clothes, and you know, you can just do what you need to do, but you still look like you tried. Okay, and that's all we can ask for, is that we try. Let's see, I think that's it. If you love this look, let me know in the comments. Oh, one more thing. So, I added these glasses to the look. Look how cute. Look how cute this is. Listen, a pair of glasses can take a very basic and simple makeup look to a whole new level. If you like these glasses, check my Amazon link in the description of this video. Get you a pair. I'm telling you, they're so cute. They're so cute. All right. So this is the entire look without glasses. With glasses, honey, would you wear this look on a weekend? Let me know, get in the comments. I really do appreciate you all joining me today for this look. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you part of the beauty fam. And I will see you in the next video.